The techniques you'll see in this video are demonstrated by a former Army Ranger and an international instructor of Wing Chun and Jeet Kune Do, with many years of experience in street fighting.
This instructor's lineage follows the teachings of the late Milan Prasenica, head of the European Wing Chun Association, former world champion, and trainer of K1 fighters. It is a lineage that traces directly back to Ip Man, dating back to the 1980s.
Years of experience working in high-risk clubs, and extensive experience in real-life combat situations. Attacking your opponent's guard is always effective in a fight. Instead of simply waiting for their strikes, we control the opponent's hands. Waiting for their strikes, we control the opponent's hands, guiding them away from the line of our attack. This allows us to approach efficiently while controlling their hands and landing multiple close-range strikes. It confuses the opponent and gives you effective control of the fight. There's no need to flail your arms half a meter away from your body while trying to defend yourself. Defensive movements must stay as close to your body as possible, so that you can redirect your opponent's attack from the position you're in while blocking the strike. Instead of waiting for the situation to unfold, surprise your opponent by attacking their guard. By applying strong pressure, you take the initiative instead of waiting to be attacked. It's far more effective to neutralize your opponent from the start rather than giving them the advantage, especially in confined spaces.
The goal in combat is to completely neutralize your opponent's hands, preventing them from launching any attacks. By catching them off guard, you disrupt their timing and stop them from reacting effectively. This gives you the opportunity to strike from close range, maintaining full control over the fight. Your line of attack becomes clear and unobstructed, allowing you to move decisively and efficiently. Even subtle strikes to the opponent's forearm muscles can create confusion, weaken their defense, and inflict real damage. The key is precision and control. Every movement should serve a purpose, whether it's blocking, redirecting, or striking. By mastering this approach, you don't just defend yourself. You dictate the pace of the encounter. You take the initiative, forcing your opponent to react to you rather than the other way around. In close quarters, this strategy is especially powerful, as there's no room for hesitation or wasted movement. Every strike, every block, every hand position contributes to maintaining dominance and ensuring your safety. In a fight, it's not enough to simply react to your opponent's attacks. True power comes from taking the initiative. By controlling your opponent's hands, you dictate the flow of the encounter. Every hand, every movement must have a purpose: to deflect a strike, protect your body, and create openings for your own attacks. Wing Chun teaches that attack and defense are not separate. When you block an opponent's strike, you are simultaneously preparing for a counterattack. Your hands become an extension of your mind. You react before your opponent even realizes what's happening. This principle gives you the advantage in any situation, especially in confined spaces where reactions must be fast and precise. Even the smallest details can make a difference. Pressure on the forearm, control of the elbows, or properly positioning your rear hand at the center of your body can surprise your opponent, create confusion, and open opportunities for multiple close-range strikes. Every strike and block works together, making your fighting efficient and safe. Every moment of a confrontation is an opportunity for control. Whoever dictates the pace determines who has the initiative. Wing Chun teaches that controlling the lines of attack and maintaining proper distance can decide the outcome of a fight before it even fully develops. This is not just a martial art. It's a way of thinking where focus and calm surpass brute force and aggression.